Most kitchen gadgets promise to save you time and end up living in a drawer. These 5 actually deliver: a floor cleaner that replaces vacuuming and mopping in one pass, a precision cooker that turns cheap cuts into restaurant-quality meals, and a nugget ice maker that ends the drive-through run forever. Subscribe. Let's get into it. The simplehuman sensor pump is the kitchen upgrade most people dismiss until they have used one and then can't go back. Apartment Therapy called it the product that actually makes them want to wash their hands more, and that sums it up precisely. The sensor dispenses the exact amount of liquid soap the moment your hand or sponge passes beneath it. No fumbling with a greasy pump handle, no drips, no residue on the counter, clog-proof tubing, a rechargeable lithium-ion battery lasting up to 4 months per charge, and a 9-ounce reservoir that accepts any liquid soap, eliminate the small daily frictions around the sink that accumulate into real-time waste. Available in brushed stainless, matte black, rose gold, and white steel. A clean countertop aesthetic in every kitchen finish. For anyone who cooks daily and touches the soap bottle multiple times per session with wet or greasy hands, the sensor pump is the smallest upgrade on this list with the most immediate daily impact. Links are in the description. Check it out. The Bella 2 Slice Slim Toaster is the countertop space reclamation pick, a compact, minimal toaster with a slim profile that fits between appliances and against walls without the bulk of standard 2-slice models. 6 browning settings, a removable crumb tray that takes seconds to clean, cancel, and reheat functions, and a cord wrap for neat storage cover the everyday toasting needs of a 1 to 2 person household without any excess. The stainless steel housing wipes clean in seconds, and the slim dimensions mean it genuinely disappears on a crowded kitchen counter. For households who want a reliable, no-fuss toaster that takes up minimal counter and drawer space in the kitchen, the Bella Slim is the clean, practical pick. The time savings is in the cleanup and the space it gives back. 2 things every kitchen benefits from daily. The Anova Nano 2.0 is the Sous Vide pick that turns a $10 chicken breast into something a restaurant would serve. And the real-time saving is in the hands-off cooking. Set the temperature, drop the sealed bag in water, and walk away for 1 to 4 hours. No checking, no stirring, no risk of overcooking. The Anova app sends a notification when the cook is complete. The compact 12.8-inch design clips onto any pot, and the 1,000-watt heater reaches cooking temperature fast. Bluetooth connectivity, the Anova app's guided recipe library, and compatibility with sous vide bags or resealable zipper bags make the barrier to entry genuinely low. And if this kind of time-saving home gear content is useful to you, subscribe right now. We cover the best kitchen and home upgrades every week. The Nano 2.0 is the most affordable on Anova Sous Vide cooker, and the right starting point for anyone new to the technique. For households that batch cook proteins for the week, meal prep regularly, or simply want to stop hovering over a pan, the Anova Nano 2.0 is the most time-liberating cooking tool on this list. Taste of Home tested the Tineco iFLOOR 3 and called it the best thing to happen to their home, confirming they'll never clean floors with a regular mop again. The 2-in-1 hard floor cleaner vacuums and washes simultaneously in a single pass, leaving floors dry and streak-free in minutes with a 90+% water recovery rate. Switching between vacuuming and mopping separately for hard floors is a 2-step, 30+ minute process in most homes. The iFLOOR 3 does it in one pass at a fraction of the time. The self-cleaning cycle runs hands-free in the storage dock, eliminating the unpleasant post-cleaning rinse that traditional mops require. The cordless, self-propelled design weighs under 10 pounds and maneuvers easily around kitchen cabinets and under counters. For households with hard floors in the kitchen and dining area, where food and liquid spills happen daily, the Tineco iFLOOR 3 replaces 2 separate cleaning tools with one and cuts floor cleaning time in half. That's a real-time saving that compounds every single day. Closing with the most indulgent time saver on this list, the GE Profile Opal 2.0, the countertop nugget ice maker that ends the drive-through ice run permanently. Reviewed.com called it the best countertop ice maker available after testing, confirming 38 pounds of soft, chewable Sonic-style nugget ice per day, with the first batch ready in 10 to 15 minutes. The included 0.75-gallon side tank, triples production capacity without refilling, Wi-Fi connectivity, and Alexa or Google Assistant compatibility lets you schedule ice production before you get home, and the automatic bin detection restarts production the moment ice is scooped. The time saving here is specific. If you're a household that runs out for ice, spends time chipping at frozen trays, or buys bagged ice for parties and gatherings, the Opal 2.0 eliminates all of it. Reviewers who left it running over a weekend came back to a full bin and never looked at their old trays again. At $599, it is the premium item on this list. But for households where ice consumption is daily and meaningful, it pays for itself in convenience within weeks. All the links for every product are in the description below. Those are your 5 home gadgets that will actually save you time in 2026. From a touchless soap pump that removes every greasy pump handle moment, to a floor cleaner that cuts cleaning time in half, and a nugget ice maker that eliminates the ice run forever. Every link is in the description. Subscribe and come back next week. We're covering the best kitchen organization gadgets to complete your setup. See you there.